Hello everyone, in this video I will be comparing my personal hotel rate with Marriott compared to Hotwires hot deals, and we'll see which one is better. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this. Alright, so as you can see, this is downtown New York's deals right now. I consider anything below $100 a night a decent deal for a hotel. So let's find the cheapest one that is in downtown. You know, there's 92 right here, that's not bad. There's 76. And you just have a lot of different ones that are not really downtown. But you know what? No, these are still good locations. Okay, so the lowest price we can find is $76, which is not bad. Okay, now let's compare this with Hotwire. All right, so we have a Hotwire right next to this. Okay, we're gonna go downtown New York. So 99, 85, 103, 69. Okay, so there are some cheaper rates on Hotwire, but as you can see, they're way significantly lower in terms of ratings, and it's in a different location, Upper West Side area. I would probably go with the Marriott rates because I know what I'm getting. But you know what? Let's just play around with this. You know, let's try this $85 a night. And the thing with Hotwire, they don't show you what hotel you're getting. That's another catch, but there's a way to see which hotel you're getting if you watch my last video. Just from this, comparing to this location, I would probably go with this one, the $72, I think it was, $76. Because I know what I'm getting, and this is a really good brand. I can always trust Marriott. But you know what? To make this video fair, we're gonna try a different location. So these are really expensive. Wow. You're not really getting a good deal here compared to these $39, $89 a night. So honestly, if I were you, I would always, no matter what, compare multiple different hotel rates to other third-party bookings and the direct booking, because as you can see, we're now getting a better deal with Hotwire. And just to compare Hotwire's deals with third-party bookings in downtown, so as you can see, other third-party bookings, like if you click here, it'll bring you to Google for $82 a night. So really, just honestly compare. You have to do some homework. You have to do homework as a guest to get the best rate for yourself. And keep in mind that rates do fluctuate every day. This is why hotel front desk agents don't disclose the rate when you get into the hotel, because it may have dropped lower or higher. But anyways, there you have it. As you can see, depending on the location, you know, the rating of the hotel, you will get different rates. So my hotel rate is not necessarily better as an employee because it depends on many different factors. But overall, I'd rather use my hotel employee discount because I know what I'm getting with that. I don't have to do any extra work. I can trust the brand that I'm staying at, and I can even call them and let them know that I'm an employee and they can maybe upgrade my room and all that good stuff. So that's why personally I'll go with my hotel rate. But if I'm doing a spontaneous trip, I want a super cheap stay because I want to save money, then I'll probably go with Hotwire and just find a good location with the best deal at that time. Okay, so thank you for watching again. Until next time, guys.